we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this type of sweet bread made originally in Italy. We'll be looking at how to say more names of foods like this one too many people get wrong. Two different ways of pronouncing it. If you want the original Italian pronunciation, it was originally from Milan in Italy. Panettone. Panettone is how it's said. Panettone, because you have a double T. This double T becomes the emphasis, the main stress on the word. Panettone, okay? That's how the Italians would say it. Now, in English-speaking countries, it's generally said rather similarly as panettone, with a stress on that toe syllable. Panettone, some say it also as panettone, panettone or panettone. It's easy, panettone is pretty good. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching.